With cases rising, Chhattisgarh has now become the state with the fifth highest number of active coronavirus cases in India, with Durg, Rajnandangao and Raipur, which border Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh, accounting for nearly 70% of the total active number of cases in the state. A night curfew has been announced in 14 of 27 districts, but is that enough to contain the virus?
Durg, a small town near the center of India, is at the heart of India's COVID crisis. Surging cases in smaller towns is exactly what the Prime Minister warned about a couple of weeks ago. Cases in Durg have shot up almost 3,000% in a month, from 26 new ones on February 28 to 769 fresh cases on Tuesday. Chhattisgarh's capital Raipur, with a 1,100% rise in cases in a month to 728 fresh cases on Tuesday, is a close second. But are the state's smaller towns and districts also causing the second COVID wave? Cases in Korba are up from 0 to 108 in 1 month. Cases in Rajnandgaon from 1 to 245. In Bemetara, the cases have gone up from 2 to 200 new cases. And in Mahasamand, they are up from 1 to 119 in a month.
ये सरकार कोई भी हो, कहीं की भी हो, किसी दुनिया के देश की सरकार क्यों ना हो, एक सीमा से ज्यादा वो नागरिकों को बंद करके, कैद करके नहीं रख सकती। तो व्यवस्था सरकार कर सकती है, जानकारी सरकार दे सकती है। इस प्रकार की वैश्विक महामारी में नागरिकों का सहयोग जब तक नहीं मिलेगा, तो इसको फैलने से रोक पाना असंभव है।
The big worry is if the surge reaches the state's villages, a substantial chunk of whom are located in remote, inhospitable areas. At this government hospital 30 kilometers outside Raipur that serves a rural population, doctors are worried.
अभी तो काफ़ी केसेस बढ़ गए हैं, जो मैंने जैसे पहले भी कहा कि जो डिक्लाइन हो चुके थे केसेस वो अभी वापस से बढ़ रहे हैं।
गांव में तो बहुत ज़्यादा पिछले समय की तुलना में तो बहुत ज़्यादा विकराल रूप लेते जा रहे हैं, रोज बढ़ते जा रहे हैं। स्थिति तो गंभीरता ऐसा स्थिति हो जाएगा कि समझ से परे हो जाएगा, लगता है ऐसा। गांव में बढ़ रहा है, शहर के आदमी अब गांव से आना जाना है, संबंध है।
Worried over the surge in cases, the Chhattisgarh government has announced a night curfew in 14 of the state's 27 districts. But is this enough? With Somesh Patel in Raipur, this is Alok Pandey, NDTV.